here is how we can turn on the microphone on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe to Foxtecc so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so the microphone can be found inside of the settings app. When you scroll and find the privacy and security section, in here you get to manage all of the different things, which includes the services and different kinds of stuff like the camera access, Bluetooth, location, and so on. But one of the options is most definitely a microphone. And when you click on this, you can see specifically which apps have access and have the microphone turned on. Right? So you can see in my case, basically all of them can use it, but that is something that you can change. For example, some apps, naturally it makes sense for a translator. I want to use the voice to dictate stuff and have it translated, or I don't know, some other things, some other services, but I don't know, some other random apps seemingly don't need to have access to it. For example, iMovie is a video editor, so why does it need access to my microphone, right? Sometimes I might use it for voiceovers or whatever, but if you don't want this, or if it doesn't work and you want to enable it, this is where you can find it and manage it specifically for each app. Then, of course, you need to make sure that the physical hardware microphone works as well. The best way to test it out would be by opening up the voice memos and just talking or blowing into the mic to see if it actually gets recognized, but mostly it should. Usually the problem is the permissions and the privacy about it. So this is how you can enable it and turn on mic on your iPad for every available app and every specific service. So in case you have some more thoughts and questions about this, I hope that I will be able to answer it in the future. Just let me know about it in the comments below. And thanks a lot. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later in the future uploads.